Okay then my friends, now we have seen quite a lot of ways that we can work with files and file paths, and there's just a couple more things I want to cover in the chapter before we move on to the next one and tackle that little project. The first one is something called context managers. And context managers are essentially a construct in Python that allow us to open a file, work within that file, and then that file will automatically close when the work is done. So really, they're another way that we can work with files with the added benefit of that we don't have to manually remember to use the close method once we're done. On top of that, they're quite an elegant and they're a very readable way to work with files too. So let's give this a shot. I've still got this open file function defined right here, which we invoke in the main function. And inside this open file function, I create a path using the path constructor function. This time I grab the parent directory of the current file and then I add on a file name directly after that by using a / and then the name of the file. This is a perfectly valid way to create these paths all in one line. Anyway, below that I've made this data list which contains a bunch of character names as strings. And what I'd like to do is use a loop to iterate this list and write each name as a new line to this character's file, which doesn't exist yet. So then the next step now is to open the file in write mode, which also creates the file for us if it doesn't exist, and then write to the file. Now so far we've seen two different ways to open a file in Python. The first way was to use the global open function, passing the file path as an argument and also the mode. The second way is to use the open method directly on the path object we created and just passing the mode. But right now I'm going to show you the third way, using a context manager. So the way this works is by saying with, first of all, then we say path, which is the path we already have, and we use the open method on that. And we'll pass in a W to the open method so we can open this in write mode. After that we say as, and then the variable name, which we want to refer to this as, like file. And then a colon at the end of this. So after this we can indent a code block and do something with that file, and we have access to that open file via this file variable right here. And again, you can call this something completely different if you want. But then on that file we can use things like the write method to write to this file. So let's do that then. Let's loop through the data list that we have, and we're going to write each character's name to the file. To do that, we'll say for character in data, and then add a colon at the end. Then we need to indent again onto the next line for the code block inside the loop. And inside this code block, we can say file dot write, and then we're going to pass in the individual character we want to write to the file. Now also, I'm going to concatenate to that a new line by adding a string, which is a \n. And this outputs a return onto a new line for us, which means each character is going to get written to its own line in the document. Okay then, so now we're writing each character to the file in turn, and once this loop is finished and there's no more code to run inside this code block within the context manager, then Python automatically closes the file for us. And that's really nice because it's just one less thing for us to remember. Right then, so let's just run this file to make sure it worked, and we see nothing in the terminal because we didn't print anything out, but we can open up the characters file now and we can see that we have all of those characters written to the document, each one on a new line. Awesome. So then, that's how we use a context manager, using this with keyword right here to open a file, and it automatically closes for us.